The cleanup continues a week later after an EF2 tornado ripped through parts of Annapolis. In an effort to help dozens of displaced residents and business owners, the city calls a town hall meeting Wednesday evening.
I think a lot of the community is still devastated and still have a lot of questions. So we need to bring people together to get the residents to resources and then come up with a game plan on how we get parole back on its feet.
Annapolis Mayor Gavin Buckley, who has seen the devastation firsthand, says that the town hall will be a chance for those affected to get a summary of what happened and what has been done so far. Then, different breakout sessions for renters, homeowners, and businesses.
Someone from permitting there, we'll have someone there from the Red Cross, we'll have FEMA represented, we'll have multiple agencies represented, and then your specific issue, you can get questions answered at the source.
Now, the mayor tells me that the biggest issue they're really dealing with right now when it comes to residents is the large trees and large amounts of debris that these people have in their yards and getting it removed, as they simply cannot afford to do so. The mayor says that the city is hoping to work with these folks and come up with a way to finance moving that debris, something that will be covered here tonight at the town hall. By the way, for people who cannot attend tonight, or if you know someone who could use the help in this area, we have some helpful links on our website, WBALTV.com, and on our mobile app. We're live in Annapolis tonight. I'm Lowell Melser, WBAL TV 11 News.